Update 1 on Tropical Storm Laura. Laura is located at 16.80 north, minus 62.60 west, as of 8 p.m. AST, this 21 August 2020. The tropical cyclone has winds of 45 miles per hour and a pressure of 1,007 millibars. The storm is moving west and is a TCPR rating 6. Moderate damage expected. Distance in miles right now. Basse Terre 35 miles away from the center of the storm. 187 from Charlotte Amalie, 253 from San Juan, 571 from Puerto Plata, and 1,356 from Havana. There are a plethora of watches and warnings in effect right now, so feel free to pause and read the screens when they each come on, because unfortunately I cannot read them all to you. Remember, if the text is yellow, it's a watch, and if the text is red, it's a warning. In 24 hours, Laura will be just northwest of Puerto Rico. In 48 hours, the storm will be near eastern Cuba. In 72 hours, the storm will be near western Cuba and south of the Florida Keys. In 96 hours, it will become a hurricane, and in 120 hours, the storm will be giving storm conditions to Louisiana and possibly as far as Alabama and the panhandle of Florida, as still a hurricane. That's all I have for Tropical Storm Laura. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye!